Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. So today in this video, I'm going to review episode 86 of this Pokemon Journeys. But before that, I want you guys to like the video as a motivation purpose for me. Now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, this episode starts from where we left episode 85 in which Lucario was stuck from Machamp clutches. And we saw that Lucario transferred his force palm from his hand to his legs and used it in a very different way. Then Ash bring back his Lucario and sends out his third Pokemon Sirfetch'd. And Sirfetch'd start the match very nicely, as first he blocked Machamp Bullet Punch and also attack on him with his Fury Cutter. Then B switch out his Machamp and sends out her Hawlucha again. Hawlucha start with Flying Press, but Sirfetch'd block his attack with the help of his shield. Then Sirfetch'd attack on him with Night Slash, but Hawlucha dodged it by jumping. So Sirfetch'd again attack on him with his new move Brutal Swing, but Hawlucha again dodged it too. And then Hawlucha started to restore his energy and go for a powerful wing attack, and this time Sirfetch'd used his Night Slash. And we saw an awesome clash between both the Pokemon in which B Hawlucha stand by winning it. Since to be honest, I'm really very disappointed with Sirfetch'd lost as he really deserves to win this time against Hawlucha. Although then Ash bring back his Sirfetch'd and sends out his Pikachu. Then Pikachu start by attacking with Thunderbolt, which Hawlucha dodged very nicely. And he again restore his energy for another powerful attack, but this time Pikachu stuck his iron tail to the ground and create a powerful ultrasonic vibration. Which results that Hawlucha Sky attack get nothing damage to Pikachu, but Hawlucha gets some damage from it, however Pikachu get a little tired by using this unique type of attack. Since I will really admit that this was an amazing tactic by our boy Ash Ketchum. Whatever, then Hawlucha go for a high jump kick, but Pikachu give him a direct 100,000 ward and ended by winning it. Then we call back her Hawlucha and sends out her second Pokemon Grapploct. So Pikachu start with a quick attack on Grapploct, but it doesn't affect him much as he quickly trap Pikachu inside his tentacles. Then Ash say Pikachu to relax his body to come out of it, but we didn't give Ash any chance this time, and Grapploct quickly attack Pikachu with close combat and thus Pikachu get defeated. So now Ash only left with his one Pokemon Lucario. Since in this scene Ash already said that he have to defeat Grapploct with one shot so that Lucario could have enough strength to fight against Machamp. And that's what we saw also, as Grapploct attacked with Liquidation, but Lucario restore his energy and use a powerful Aura Sphere shot. And now both the trainer left with one Pokemon, so we quickly Gigantamax her Machamp, and Ash finally Mega Evolve his Lucario. Since various people were asking me that from where that Lucarionite suddenly come. As when both Ash and Lucario agreed to Mega Evolve and Ash used his Keystone, then suddenly that Lucarionite appear out of nowhere. So to be honest, this was really a very weird kind of thing, that answer currently no one of us know. Although, Gigantamax Machamp start with his Max Steel Spike move and Mega Lucario counter it with a big Aura Sphere. Then Lucario jump at top to use his Force Palm, but he get hit by Gigantamax Machamp Max attack. But still Lucario endured his attack and hit him with his Force Palm. However that doesn't affect him much and he blocked it and also endured it too. Then Gigantamax Machamp uses his powerful Dynamax Force Punch, but Lucario uses his Aura Power to withstand his attack. And then Lucario jump on Machamp and uses his big powerful Aura Sphere directly on head. Which results that Gigantamax Machamp turned back to normal Machamp, but still he didn't get defeated at all. Then Machamp used his unmatched accuracy ability, so that he could give Lucario a critical hit with Bullet Punch. But Mega Lucario first countered it with Force Palm, which then he started to absorb his Steel type moves, and then Mega Lucario turned his Force Palm into his new move named Steel Beam. And thus also defeated B Machamp, and now Ash new rank is 36. So now in my opinion, this episode was really amazing. As first we saw various different types of tactic moves from our boy Ash Ketchum's side, as first Sirfetch'd used his new move Brutal Swing. Then Pikachu used his Iron Tail to create a ultrasonic vibration attack. After that from Lucario's side we saw two different tactic moves, first one was using Force Palm through his legs and the second one was learning a new move named Steel Beam. And I want to conclude to you guys, that Steel Beam is a new Steel type move, introduced in this Pokemon Sword and Shield. And previously Meteor Mash was said to be the strongest Steel type move, but now Steel Beam is the actual strongest Steel type move. So it's so awesome that Ash Lucario is the first Steel type Pokemon to know this move in anime. Then the two things in the episode which was a little weird, that from where that Lucarionite comes suddenly, as we clearly noticed that it doesn't come from Lucario, but actually it was floating in air out of nowhere. So I'm assuming that Ash Mega Lucario mechanism is a little different kind of. Then the second weird thing, which we could neglect, that how Mega Lucario was able to withstand Gigantamax Machamp powerful Dynamax move. Although I like that they don't show be weak, but she seems a very strong trainer throughout the episode, which Ash was able to defeat somehow. Since my only disappointment with the match, was that Sirfetch'd lost again with B Hawlucha. Still in my opinion, this episode rating is 9 out of 10. And now that's all for this video. If you guys wants to see a breakdown video of the new special preview, then you can check out my this video, link is in the I button. Or if you guys wants to know about upcoming episodes title and release date, then you can check out my this video, again link is in the I button. Now if you guys like my content, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of related videos in future. Also be sure to comment your thoughts about this awesome battle episode. And if you guys wants to interact with me, then you can also follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.